Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. Today is the day of the week where I'm going to be going over the things that I've been using this past week and just kind of talking about it and giving real quick reviews on the products. If you like makeup, beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. And I did want to let everyone know that these products will be listed in the description down below in case you're curious into looking into them some more. All the information will be down listed below. Okay, and I have been trying out my BoxyCharm Premium and my BoxyCharm Base for the month of October for this week. And the first thing up that I wanted to talk about was this LYS bronzer. And I've been using this so much. It is definitely a matte bronzer and it has like a satiny finish to it almost. Let me tell you, this is my new go-to bronzer. I absolutely love this bronzer and I'm so happy that I got a chance to try it because now it's one of my new favorites. Let me know down below if anybody else has gotten this bronzer and what you think about it. Moving on to the next item is, of course, 111 Skin. It's the Essence. I was really happy to get this because I didn't even realize I was missing Essence inside of my skin regimen, which is a step that you're supposed to go from like thicker or from thinner products to thicker products. This is what I normally would put on my face right after I get out of the shower or right after I'm done washing my face. And it smells absolutely amazing. It makes my skin feel good. I love it to death. Anything with 111 Skin, they're yet to disappoint me. And again, with this product, I really do like it. Now, it is more pricier. They have it available in the pop-up for $18 though, because I do believe originally it's like $100. So good to know that. Just keep your eye out. If you like 111 Skin stuff like me, just keep your eye out in the add-ons and pop-ups. And they're supposed to have a big sale coming up in November. And next is Do the Gods Under Eye Mask, and it's a collagen pads. So I did like these. They're not my favorite that I've ever tried because they are like, they do stick to your skin a little bit better than some like other jelly ones that I've tried in the past, but they do give you quite a few, and I did find it relaxing when I used it, and it didn't do too much pulling when it came off either. So that's always something I look for because that skin underneath your eyes is very thin and very sensitive, so I don't like anything that's like pulling it off like a band-aid to kind of like damage that skin or hurt that skin. So that's definitely something I look for in eye patches. So like it. I think it's only $6 in the pop-up sale if you're interested. And next up is this Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss. And this, to me, I really did like it. The color was right on point. They didn't have, I don't think, color selections. I think this was the only one that they had in the BoxyCharms. But it did have the tingling for the plumping, but it wasn't too much. It wasn't overpowering where I couldn't stand it. I had to wipe it off my lips. I did enjoy this lip gloss. Just like I enjoy many other of Tarte things. Tarte is a pretty good brand, so you can't really go wrong with them. Next up is from Jelliez Beauty, and this was the liner and stamp duo. So this, to me, it worked really well. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it. It's a stamped liquid eyeliner. It does exactly what it says it's supposed to do. I didn't really have any trouble difficulty with it. I did very much like the fine tip point on here for details or for the areas you don't want as much eyeliner. So definitely like this. And next up is these from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. If you weren't fortunate enough to snag this as your choice item, they were charging $29 for it in the pop-up, which is still pretty significant amount. I really did enjoy it. It felt really good going on my skin. Very hydrating. Has that wonderful watermelon smell to it. So definitely recommend this as well. I feel like I've been lucky. I've been getting a lot of really good stuff lately. Nothing super like garbage or anything like that, which is always a good thing. Next up is from this One Size palette from Patrick Starr. Really did like this palette. The only thing I would like to tell everyone, if you don't already have this palette or you have not used it yet, the colors that look like lighter brown in there, just beware. They're not as light as you would think that they would be, or they are very bold and very pigmented colors. And some of them actually took me for a surprise when I dipped my brush in it and put it on my eye. I was like, whoa, she's dark. It did take a lot more blending to get this out, but it was overall a really good palette. And I do believe they have this for sale. I don't know if they still do or not, but they had it for sale at Sephora for a long time for $21. So if that's something you're into, or if that's something you want to check out, they have that available there. And I don't know for sure if they had it in the add-on sale or not, but they may have. And next up is from Beaute. I like saying it like that, almost like you're French. And it's the Falling For You palette. And one thing I could definitely say that I absolutely loved about this palette is the color story definitely says fall to me. It has a variety of different looks that you can make. You could go more light, you could go more bold, which I really did enjoy this. I'm actually only wearing the apple cider. Only wearing the apple cider eyeshadow today. I just thought it was so beautiful that I could even wear it on its own without any other colors. And I think it looks great. I really did enjoy this palette. Very pigmented. These are more easy to blend in my opinion. But, and these palettes aren't too outrageously priced. Especially if you look in the pop-up they have. I know I've been saying that about everything. But it seems like they have a lot more of the stuff in our boxes available in pop-up now, which is kind of nice for those of you who didn't necessarily get what you wanted in your boxes, so you could go back and make sure you get everything your little heart desires. There's that. Actually, that's everything that I've been trying out. It's super quick. Wanted to let everyone know that that giveaway is up, hidden inside of a video that I have recently posted. I wanted to let everyone know I wish the best of luck to all of you. I'm going to do the cutoff for that on this Wednesday. So if you haven't already jumped in there and seen the video and put in the special word, go ahead and do so if you're interested in winning my giveaway. That's everything that I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.